My name's Andy Smith, Director at Progressive. We do roofing and cladding all over the southwest of England. We turned 35 years as a business last year. We've recently completed a MBO where 5 of us who started off as apprentices have all now run the business. We build buildings made out of metal, really. So there are lots of like leisure centres, lots of hospital projects which are quite popular now. All public sector work really at the moment. We've had an on-premise server for the last probably 12, 13 years. It started to get to the end of its life. Over COVID it was quite difficult to log in and get all our information where we were when we were working from home. Predominantly everybody works in the office, so we're not looking for too much of a remote solution, but we started the implementation of moving to the cloud just before COVID with Teams and all that kind of stuff, so that became very useful during that time. After that we realised that that was the way we needed to go with an on-cloud server. We spoke about it with Nexus a few years prior to that when our server was coming to the end of its life and it didn't seem like the right fit, but as the technology quickly improved after COVID, it became apparent that we could seamlessly move up to the cloud. The main benefit we have is that it's seamless between working from devices. So whether you've got your desktop in the office when you come to sit in the office or you've got your laptop at home, you log in, it's exactly the same experience. Your desktop's there, the apps are all there, all your files are there, and you can just log in, get moving straight away, which is really beneficial. I would say from having all the information wherever you are is a lifesaver and extremely beneficial. So whether you're sat in the office, which say 45 to 75% of the people are, or whether you're on site, or whether you're working away, or whether you need to check something in an evening, everything is there for you when you need it, whether it's a drawing, photograph, an email, Teams message, it's just there wherever you are. Once the implementation started, Nexus were very hit these dates, hit these dates, hit these dates, which is what we needed because obviously you're trying to do the day job most of the time. So actually having processes and actual targets and deadlines to hit really helped because I don't think we'd have got there if we didn't. And once we started moving and once we started ticking them off, it did gain momentum and got there pretty quick. The Azure that we've got is great. So whilst we actually, during the process, we figured out that we have 2 sorts of jobs. We have the current jobs that are on site need to be done at the moment, and then we have an archive. And the archive is, we've just hit job 4,000 last week, so there's probably 3,900 jobs in the archive now. So they created a secure database where instead of changing the way we were moving for everything and going back, we picked up the old archive and moved it into a safe Azure file on the internet, which is really handy for, say, our maintenance company that goes in and looks at older jobs. That information is all there as it was, easy. And then once we finish a job in the new system, which is all Teams-based really, I know it's all SharePoint and everything behind it, but we fundamentally use Teams, that can just be picked up and dropped into there and then deleted off there. So it has really good benefits. Intune's great, so whenever you have a new starter or a upgrade of equipment, you just log straight in and then it knows who that person is, what software they need, and it downloads it automatically, ready as part of the install when their computer's ready to go. It saves time, it doesn't need anybody from Nexus to visit site. It's just an out-of-the-box experience which takes half an hour and they're up and running probably within 1 hour, which is great. With buying a new server, that would have been a large outlay up front and with a lifespan. Whereas with the Office 365 route that we've gone down, it's a monthly subscription per user. Yeah, from a budgeting point of view, it's a lot easier because you know that you can spread the costs over the year. You know what your costs are going to be. The technical support is great. They seem to be able to fix the majority of the problems when you ring them up most of the time whilst you're on the phone, which is really beneficial when people have an issue because downtime is not helpful in any field. I would definitely recommend Nexus if you're looking to upgrade onto the cloud. It was a seamless process for us and a lot of old heads in here that were easily learnt the new ways, so it was really beneficial.